Hi, in this video we're going to show you the Transcribe feature available for Microsoft Word. So this could be used with the installable version of Word as well as the web version of Word, which we have open here. Alright, so to begin you need to go to the Home tab and then to Dictate and then change this to Transcribe. Then it will open up a window here. So you could start recording and use your microphone and then it will transcribe it for you. Or if you have an audio or video file, you could actually upload those and it'll actually transcribe that for you as well. So let's say you had a Zoom meeting or some other kind of recording that you wanted to transcribe the audio from, you could use this to do so. Alright, so we're going to show you a few examples today. So first of all, here are the formats it supports: WAV files, MP4, M4A, and MP3s. Okay, so let's look at the first one here. It's just a single person talking.
Do Excel formulas terrify you? Guess what? With Copilot in Excel, anyone can analyze, organize, and create in a snap.
Okay, so let's try this one out. So we're going to upload the audio. So it'll take a few minutes for it to upload, so obviously the size of your file is going to determine how long it takes to finish uploading. That's also going to upload it to your OneDrive account, so make sure you have room, and then also make sure you clear it out if you want to get your space back when it's done. Okay, transcript has been saved, so you could actually play it here if you want.
Do Excel formulas terrify you?
Turn down the volume a little bit here. Alright, so now you can see the transcript here. So it's broken down into speakers. So this is seeing speaker 1 for the whole thing, which is good. So now you could add it to the document with just text, but it's going to group it all together. Just speakers. It still kind of groups it together, speaker 1, then speaker 1 down here. It doesn't make it look quite like this. Alright, then we're going to do with timestamps. So just like that. And then finally we have with speakers and timestamps, if you had more than one speaker. Okay, that's one example, so we're going to do a new one here. Alright, let's check out the next one. We're going to do two people talking now, two women talking.
Hey, hi. I'm Danielle.
I'm Jackie.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm actually training for a half marathon here if you want to come join.
Okay, let's see how it works with this one. Okay. So now you can see for this example, everything is speaker 1, so it's thought the two women were the same person there. So in this case, you might have to do just the text, or you might have to edit the speakers themselves. So if you did this, you'd have to change speaker 1 to speaker 2 if you could tell the difference between the two. Alright, let's try one more here. Okay, so this one we have a man and a woman talking to each other.
Buying a computer. This is John, the shopkeeper of this computer store. He helps customers find the perfect computer.
Hi. What can I help you?
Hi, I'm a student and I need a new computer for school.
Okay, let's try this one out. So like I mentioned, it doesn't have to be videos, it could be audio files as well. Okay, let's see what we got here. So now we can see we have speaker 1 and speaker 2. And then you could play it to make sure it got it right.
Buying a computer. This is John, the shopkeeper of this computer store. He helps customers find the perfect computer.
Okay, it actually found a speaker 3 there.
Hi, I'm a student and I need a new computer for school. Can you help me find one that's good for studying and taking notes?
Okay, and then of course you could do the same thing. Add it to the Word document, or if you want to add it with the speakers and timestamps, you could do that as well. Alright, so as you can see, it does a decent job. It's not perfect, so obviously you're going to have to tweak it a little once you import it, but it's definitely better than trying to listen to it and transcribe it all yourself by hand by typing it in as you're listening. So once again, go to the Home tab, go to the Voice section, change this to Transcribe, like so. And then you could upload your file or do it from your microphone and then see how it works out for you. And then like I said, you could do the same thing from the web version. Alright, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.